James, our meeting with the board is in 2 hours, and our costs have just gone up another 6%. And quarterly performance is also down 7%. We need to figure out a strategy to turn things around pronto. Can you work some magic?
It's going to take forever to find the right strategy. And even then, sharing the options would be way easier if my data is more visual. Introducing ValQ, the planning tool for analyzing the KPIs from Visual BI. ValQ makes it easy to visualize, simulate, and optimize for profitability and growth, so that we can make the right business decisions faster. You can use ValQ in every department in your business, and you can instantly simulate simple and complex scenarios for each department on the fly. The best part? You can do it all yourself, whether you're an analyst, manager, or an executive, regardless of your company's size. Would hiring more salespeople help us reach our revenue goal? Or increase spend in marketing? What if we did both? Or any number of other changes? It's like having a large team of analysts who work lightning fast and never make mistakes. So now everyone is up to date and the right decisions are made every day. ValQ. Get started today at valq.com.